Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we explore the latest in AI developments, from Meta's new ad optimization chip to Google's Gemini advancements, and the innovative AI pin by Humane for a screenless tech interaction. Dive into discussions on collaborative robotics, smart property management, and the transformation of urban EV charging with us. Meta is aggressively pursuing advancements in generative AI, allocating a significant portion of its multi-billion-dollar investment towards both hiring AI researchers and developing specialized hardware. The company recently introduced the next-generation Meta Training and Inference Accelerator (MTIA), a chip designed primarily for optimizing ad displays across Meta platforms like Facebook. This new MTIA version, built on a 5nm process, offers a notable improvement over its predecessor, including a larger design with more processing cores, increased power consumption, double the internal memory, and a higher clock speed, resulting in up to 3 times better performance in certain tests. Despite these advancements, Meta acknowledges the chip is not currently used for generative AI training and won't replace GPUs, but rather complement them. This move comes as Meta aims to reduce reliance on expensive third-party GPUs amidst growing competition from tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, who are also developing their custom AI chips. Google introduced Gemini 1.5 Pro, an advanced generative AI model, at the Cloud Next conference in Las Vegas. This model, part of the Gemini series, boasts a remarkable capability to handle between 128,000 and 1 million tokens, significantly surpassing the context capacity of competing models like Anthropic's Claude 3 and OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. Gemini 1.5 Pro's large context window facilitates diverse applications, from analyzing extensive code libraries to maintaining detailed long-form dialogues. Its multilingual and multimodal features allow it to process and compare various media types, including text, images, videos, and as of recently, audio streams. Google demonstrated its utility with practical tasks such as searching extensive transcripts and matching movie scenes to sketches. Companies like United Wholesale Mortgage and TBS are already utilizing this model for complex tasks like mortgage underwriting and media metadata tagging. Despite its capabilities, Google acknowledges the model's latency issues, noting ongoing efforts to optimize its performance. Join us as we explore Google's groundbreaking Axion. Google is developing its custom ARM-based CPU, named Axion, aimed at enhancing its AI capabilities in data centers, alongside releasing a superior version of its Tensor Processing Units, TPU, for AI tasks. Axion will initially bolster Google's internal AI projects, including YouTube ads and the Google Earth Engine, before becoming available to Google Cloud business customers. Mark Lohmeyer of Google Cloud highlighted the seamless integration for existing ARM workload customers into Axion. The new CPU is expected to outperform general-purpose ARM chips and Intel processors by 30% and 50% respectively, and will support various Google Cloud services. Additionally, Google introduced the TPU v5P for AI model training, doubling the chip count of its predecessor. This move follows Microsoft and Amazon's steps in custom silicon for cloud and AI, aiming to lessen dependency on Intel and Nvidia, while not directly selling the chips to customers. At Intel's Vision 2024 event in Phoenix, Arizona, Intel unveiled the architectural details of its third-generation AI accelerator, Gaudi 3, positioning itself as a contender against Nvidia's AI chips. Gaudi 3, which utilizes a dual-die design for enhanced performance, promises double the AI compute of its predecessor, Gaudi 2, and a significant boost in LLM training and inferencing speeds. Intel projects Gaudi 3 to be 40% faster in training the GPT-3 175B model compared to Nvidia's H100, with even more substantial gains in energy efficiency, claiming up to 230% of H100's power efficiency in certain models. Gaudi 3 leverages high bandwidth memory, HBM2E, though it has less memory and bandwidth compared to Nvidia's upcoming Blackwell B200 and AMD's MI300. The chip is manufactured using TSMC's N5 process technology, closing the gap with Nvidia's process technology, but still behind the N4P process used for Blackwell. This advancement hints at a narrowing technological gap between Intel and Nvidia, setting the stage for a competitive AI accelerator market. Anthropic recently launched a beta API tool assessed on the Berkeley function calling leaderboard dataset, comparing Claude 3's most expensive model and cheapest model against OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo and GPT 3.5 Turbo. The evaluation focused on the abstract syntax tree, AST evaluation subset, covering simple, multiple, parallel, and parallel multiple function calls. Haiku excelled in single and multiple tool use, outperforming even the more expensive models. However, both Haiku and Opus struggled with generating multiple parallel function calls. GPT 3.5 Turbo's performance was notably close to GPT-4 Turbo in parallel tool use, showing a bias towards generating multiple function calls in parallel. In scenarios requiring single function call generation, Haiku emerged as the most cost-effective and superior option. For multiple parallel calls, GPT-4 Turbo leads, with GPT 3.5 Turbo as a viable alternative. Up next, we're exploring AI and disaster prediction. Microsoft, in collaboration with OpenAI, is pushing the boundaries of AI development, focusing on enhancing AI products with sound recognition capabilities. Their latest venture involves a technology capable of detecting various sounds, ranging from domestic noises like doorbells, babies crying, and dogs barking to more alarming sounds indicative of coughing, breathing difficulties, or glass breaking. Most notably, this technology is designed to identify environmental sounds that could signal impending natural disasters, such as earthquakes and storms. By breaking down sound signals into segments for detailed analysis, this AI can generate accurate predictions about the type of sound and its implications. This advancement holds significant potential for applications in smart home devices, healthcare for disease detection, and even in natural disaster warning systems, offering a revolutionary approach to early warning and preventive measures for both everyday and critical situations. At Cloud Next 2024, Google released a prompting guide for Gemini in Workspace, focusing on Gmail and Docs. This guide outlines 4 main considerations for crafting effective prompts: persona, who you are; task, what you need Gemini to do; context, providing detailed background; and format, structuring your request. While not all 4 elements are required for initial prompts, incorporating them can enhance results. Google emphasizes natural language and clarity, avoiding jargon for better outcomes. Successful prompts often average around 21 words, and the guide suggests making interactions conversational with follow-up prompts. The 45-page document includes example personas and prompts for various professional roles, advising users to ensure clarity, relevance, and accuracy in Gemini's outputs. Additional tips include breaking tasks into separate prompts, specifying constraints like character count, assigning creative roles, seeking feedback, considering tone, and refining prompts through iteration for improved results. Google Photos is rolling out an AI upgrade, making enhanced editing features like the AI-powered Magic Editor, Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, and Portrait Light free for all users. These features were previously exclusive to Pixel devices or Google One subscribers. The initiative aims to democratize AI photo editing tools amidst a surge in similar technologies. The rollout begins on May 15th, but availability will depend on device compatibility, requiring at least Android 8.0, iOS 15, or specific Chrome OS hardware. Magic Editor, introduced with Pixel 8 phones, allows complex edits, such as altering backgrounds or removing objects, using generative AI. While all Pixel devices will have unlimited access, iOS and Android users can make 10 Magic Editor saves monthly before needing a premium Google One plan for additional usage. Other features like Sky Suggestions, HDR effect, and cinematic photos will be accessible to all, with no subscription needed. However, the AI-powered Best Take feature remains exclusive to Pixel 8 and 8 Pro users. Next, we delve into AI governance advancements. The resolution on AI governance emphasizes the need for ongoing dialogue to ensure international regulations keep pace with AI advancements. Agencies within the UN system are urged to assess and enhance their responses to AI, fostering a collaborative approach. Ambassador Thomas Greenfield highlighted the resolution's role in future AI discussions, including its impact on peace, security, and responsible military use. Secretary-General Guterres warned of power disparities hindering AI progress, advocating for a multipolar global order to prevent further divides. He stressed the importance of reformed, inclusive multilateralism and strong global governance to manage the complexities of AI and avoid chaos. This approach aims to address long-standing global power imbalances and deep geopolitical divides, ensuring a balanced and just international relations framework. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. In a landscape where the smartphone's dominance begins to wane, Humane introduces a groundbreaking alternative, the Humane AI Pin. Founded by ex-Apple executives Bethany Bongiorno and Imran Chowdhury, Humane arrives amid growing interest in generative AI, with significant backing from industry giants, including OpenAI's Sam Altman. The AI Pin, priced starting at $699 plus a $24 monthly subscription after the initial 90 days, aims to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Unlike traditional devices, it offers a hands-free, screenless experience by tapping into AI through a lapel pin, featuring a built-in projector for displaying information on the user's hand. Humane's innovation is timely, as it capitalizes on the generative AI hype and navigates the challenges of a saturated smartphone market. Despite facing competition and minor setbacks like a small layoff and a slight delay in pre-order fulfillment, Humane stands out with its unique approach to integrating AI into daily life without the need for screens or handheld devices. The AI Pin's design and functionality reflect a deep consideration for user experience, aiming to keep technology accessible yet unobtrusive. As the industry seeks the next big thing beyond smartphones, Humane's AI Pin positions itself as a pioneer, merging fashion with function and promising a new way to stay connected without the constant demand for our attention that current devices require. Collaborative Robotics is a startup that is redefining the future of human-robot interaction. Founded by Brad Porter, a veteran with over 13 years at Amazon leading its industrial robotics team, Collaborative Robotics, or Cobot, is steering away from traditional humanoid robot designs. Instead, Cobot focuses on developing systems that enhance collaboration between humans and robots, without conforming to the humanoid or mobile manipulator models attached to autonomous mobile robots. Although details of their novel Cobot system remain under wraps, the startup has already started deploying its technology at select sites. This move signals a significant leap towards integrating robots with human-level capabilities into various industries, aiming to create a more cost-effective supply chain through improved AI and robot deployment. What sets Cobot apart is not just its unique approach to robotics, but also its impressive pedigree. The team comprises former employees from tech and innovation giants like Apple, Meta, Google, Microsoft, NASA, and Waymo. This diverse expertise signals Cobot's commitment to pioneering a future where robots and humans work side by side more efficiently, leveraging AI for human problem-solving without the hefty price tag often associated with robotic deployment. In the bustling world of travel and tourism, Guesty is a New York-based startup with Israeli roots. This platform is a game changer for accommodation managers, offering a comprehensive online management system that integrates with major booking sites like Airbnb and Vrbo. With a five-fold revenue increase over the past 3 years and expectations to turn profitable within the year, Guesty stands out in the revitalized post-COVID travel sector, projected to hit $11.1 trillion in sales by 2024. Guesty's platform is not just another listing tool. It encompasses booking management, analytics, accounting, multiple property management, CRM features, payment services, damage protection, website building, and price optimization tools, all tailored for seamless operation. The uniqueness of Guesty lies in its ambition to expand beyond short-term rentals into medium-term spaces, catering to a broader audience, including those on temporary work assignments. Additionally, with the current funding, Guesty plans to enhance its platform, double down on its one-stop-shop strategy, and explore potential acquisitions, demonstrating a keen eye for growth and innovation in a challenging market. With such a comprehensive approach and strategic expansion plans, Guesty is poised to redefine property management in the travel and tourism sector. Voltpost, a New York City-based startup, is revolutionizing the electric vehicle, EV, charging landscape for urban dwellers without access to a garage or driveway. Recognizing the challenge of charging EVs in big cities, where residents often resort to inconvenient and potentially unsafe methods, Voltpost has developed a unique solution that repurposes existing infrastructure. The company has designed a product that retrofits street lampposts, transforming them into convenient curbside EV charging stations. This innovative device wraps around the lower part of a lamppost and is equipped with the necessary electronics and cables to charge 2 to 4 EVs at level 2 speeds. Ideal for overnight charging, the system features a user-friendly dock at hand level with a retractable cable that keeps walkways clear. The modular design facilitates easy repairs and upgrades, while custom software enables charge station managers to control pricing and monitor the devices remotely. For EV owners, Voltpost offers an app to manage charging sessions, handle payments, and even reserve chargers, a feature that promises convenience but may spark some neighborhood debates. The startup claims its chargers can be installed quickly, citing a successful 1-hour installation test with the New York City Department of Transportation. Turkey-based startup IKAs operating in Turkey and Germany focuses on simplifying store management for small to medium businesses, aiming for a digital footprint. What sets IKAs apart is its fire-and-forget platform philosophy, prioritizing storefront speed, exceptional customer service, and integrated payments and shipping solutions. This approach offers businesses higher conversion rates and a hassle-free setup for a monthly fee as low as €30, making it an attractive alternative to platforms that require additional plugins or external agencies for operation. Founded in 2017 by Mustafa Namoglu, alongside Tugay Karasay, Omerkan Selecler, and Umut Ozan Yildirim, IKAS leverages Namoglu's experience from his previous venture, Mugo, a fashion distribution and retail company. The investment by IFC, alongside Repi Asset Management and existing investor Revo Capital, positions IKAs for significant growth and the opportunity to serve the underserved in the European e-commerce market. Coming up, we're diving into the loneliness epidemic. Buffet, a new app tackling the loneliness epidemic, combines the quick matchmaking aspects of Tinder with the convenience of OpenTable to facilitate real-world connections among users. Amidst a concerning rise in loneliness, with a U.S. Surgeon General's report citing half of U.S. adults feeling isolated and linking loneliness to significant health risks, Buffett steps in as a novel solution. The app eases the process of meeting new people by pairing users based on shared interests and personality traits, then suggesting a meeting place. This approach not only aims to foster friendships and romantic relationships, but also addresses the challenge of finding a suitable location for meetups. Initially launched in Los Angeles, with plans to expand to New York City and beyond, Buffett targets mainly 18 to 25-year-olds and young professionals up to their early 30s. The creators, former financial analyst Rich Hacking and Sean Emery, see Buffett as a disruptor in the social connection space, offering the app for free to build user trust and planning to introduce advertising as its revenue model. Currently available only for iOS devices, an Android version is anticipated, broadening its reach. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.